Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Chemophilic. So as said in the previous video that I will proceed with the disconnection chapter. So before moving on into the chapter, you must know some important rules connected to this chapter. Okay, so here comes the first rule of disconnection, that is disconnection adjacent to functional groups, especially the hydroxyl group and the carbonyl group should be made. So here we will take an example. See this compound, here we have disconnected adjacent to the carbonyl group so that we get two types of synthons here, and as you have already seen in the previous video where I have given the list of electrophilic and nucleophilic synthon. From there you can get an idea of what will be the synthetic equivalence here. Alright, this is an aldehyde, these both are an aldehydes, and from here we can make the target molecule. We will see in our further chapters as how we will make the target molecules. Then see, this is the second rule here, that is carbon-carbon double bond may be converted to this group. Okay, before disconnection, if the double bond is a part of conjugated system involving a heteroatom, please keep in mind that it should be a part of the conjugated system. Okay, this is the example here, see, and we have done here FZI to convert this group into this, and why we have done this you will know in our further video. Just here you learn the rule. Okay, here we have disconnected this bond so that we get two synthons from here. These are the two synthons that we have got, see, and from here you get two types of synthetic equivalence. You have already known that this synthon will give formaldehyde as the synthetic equivalent and this will give acetone. Okay. So the third rule is that disconnection of double bond without adding water to the carbon-carbon double bond part. Directly we will disconnect the carbon-carbon double bond. So the example here, we have taken this compound as the example. Okay, so here we will disconnect here so that we get here two types of synthons. Okay, and as you have known, the synthetic equivalent here will be this one, and the synthetic equivalent here will be PPH3. Okay, see this. Clear? The fourth rule is that branch point is to be disconnected. Here we have taken this example. We will disconnect here. Clear? So that we get two types of synthons here. We got two types of synthons like this after disconnecting here. See, these are the two synthetic equivalents that we got from these two synthons, and we can synthesize the target molecule by Corey-House synthesis. We will see in our further videos as how to synthesize using Corey-House synthesis. Okay, better to disconnect towards the middle of the target molecule. This is our fifth rule. We have taken this example here. So the middle of this compound will be exactly here where we will disconnect, so that we get these two types of synthons, see, after disconnecting. Okay, again we get here like this two type of synthetic equivalence. This is our sixth rule, that branches must be disconnected. So we will disconnect the branches from the ring. Okay, here we will make the disconnection. These are the two synthons we got after disconnecting this compound. Okay, these are the two synthons. So here the two synthetic equivalents will be the benzene and this. We will add one chlorine to the positive charge. Here, see. So this was the basic rules that we have seen in this connection. We will move forward in our further videos, and we will see various examples, and as well as I will try to cover many of the your solve question papers from the last previous years. Okay, till then, thank you, take care, stay home and stay safe.